Welcome to our channel. Mobile Check Deposit lets you deposit checks using your smartphone camera, saving trips to the bank. Here's how to set up and use this convenient feature. Step 1. Download your bank's official mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Ensure you're downloading the legitimate app by verifying the publisher is your actual bank. Step 2. Log in to the mobile app using your online banking credentials. If you haven't registered for online banking yet, you'll need to complete that process first. Step 3. Enable Mobile Check Deposit in your app settings if it's not automatically available. Some banks require you to opt in or enable the feature before first use. Step 4. Review the deposit limits for mobile check deposits. Banks typically set daily and monthly limits, often lower than in-person deposits, especially for new accounts. Step 5. When ready to deposit a check, open the app and find the Deposit or Deposit Check option, usually found in the main menu or Transactions section. Step 6. Select the account where you want the funds deposited. Follow the app's instructions to photograph both the front and back of the check in a well-lit area. Step 7. Review the captured images to ensure all information is clearly visible, including the check amount, date, and signature. Retake photos if anything is blurry or cut off. Step 8. Confirm the deposit and write "deposited" on the check with the date. Keep the physical check for several days until you verify the deposit has been processed successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.